Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth so much faster than everyone else? It's not because they're lucky. They simply understand one powerful money rule that most people ignore. In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you a simple formula that investors have used for decades to estimate how long it takes to double their money. It's called the Rule of 72. Here's how it works. Just divide 72 by your expected annual return. The answer is the approximate number of years it will take for your investment to double. If your investment earns 6% per year, your money doubles in about 12 years. At 8%, it takes around 9 years. At 10%, about 7 years. And at 12%, only 6 years. The secret behind this is compound interest. Your money doesn't just earn returns. It starts earning returns on its previous returns. That's how small investments can grow into significant wealth over time. But here's something important. The Rule of 72 is only an estimate, and no legitimate investment can guarantee that your money will double quickly. If someone promises to double your money overnight, that's a huge red flag. If you want to learn simple investing strategies and build wealth the smart way, make sure you subscribe to Wealth Strategist. Here on Wealth Strategist, we break down complex financial concepts into easy, practical lessons anyone can understand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on Wealth Strategist.